The handheld gaming PC space continues to heat up, with new contenders aiming to challenge category leaders like the ASUS ROG Ally. Among them is the Terrans Force Handle 5, boasting high-end specs in a compact form factor. But can it measure up to the acclaimed Ally? Let's take a close look to find out.
Did you know that 72% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together.
In terms of design, the Handle 5 brings a sleek, understated aesthetic with its matte white finish. Although not overly flashy, the build quality feels solid and comfortable in hand. You'll find all the expected controls including dual analog sticks, a D-pad, ABXY face buttons, and shoulder triggers. An LED power indicator adds a subtle pop of color. By contrast, the ROG Ally Sports signature ASUS ROG styling with its aggressive angles and standout aesthetics. Design elements like the glowing LEDs under the joysticks and customizable rear grip buttons add premium flair. For those wanting a handheld that makes a statement, the Ally clearly stands apart. So while the Handle 5 opts for more low-key refinement, the ROG Ally embraces its identity as a gaming device through showy cosmetics. For some, that's a pro, while others may prefer the Handle 5's simpler vibe. The displays on both devices impress, with 7-inch 1080p touchscreens boasting smooth 120Hz refresh rates. This allows for responsive, fluid gaming without motion blur or lag during fast-paced action. One key advantage of the ROG Ally is its variable refresh rate display, ranging from 48 to 120 Hz on the fly. By automatically synchronizing refresh rates with in-game frame rates, VRR prevents screen tearing while minimizing stuttering and lag. It ensures visuals that are free of artifacts and perfectly in sync with software performance. The Handle 5 notably lacks VRR support, giving Ally's high-quality panel an edge. Aside from dynamic variable refresh rates, both devices still deliver excellent visuals ideal for gaming on the go. Their vibrant 1080p resolutions, 120Hz speeds, and portable form factors let users experience console-quality graphics untethered. But the ROG Ally's advanced display tech with VRR gives it a leg up on the Handle 5. So for anyone wanting absolute advanced image quality in a handheld package, the Ally is equipped to deliver. Still, casual gamers will find either screen impressive during real-world use, even if the Ally sits at the top as the superior display. Internally, these rivals go toe-to-toe featuring the latest mobile processors based on AMD's Zen 4 architecture, which utilizes advanced 4 nanometers, manufacturing for improved efficiency. The Handle 5 packs the Ryzen 7 7840U Pro CPU with integrated Radeon 780M graphics, while the ROG Ally houses the capable Ryzen Z1 Extreme APU. Both chipsets deliver desktop-class muscle in a portable package. The 7840U Pro in the Handle 5 and the Z1 Extreme in the ROG Ally actually have similar maximum boost clock speeds of around 5.1 GHz. So while the Handle 5 posts slightly faster speeds in multi-core workloads, we're talking negligible differences of only 100-200 MHz during boosted operation. Such minor CPU variances get overshadowed once gaming loads tap into the integrated GPUs. Both the Radeon 780M in the Handle 5 and RDNA 3 iGPU in the Ally deliver smooth frame rates that keep pace with their respective processors. So any minute advantages in theoretical CPU throughput don't translate into real-world gaming gains. Users will be hard-pressed to notice performance deltas during play. The ROG Ally's custom Z1 Extreme holds its own, matching the Handle 5's graphics prowess when immersed in virtual worlds. We should also mention the Handle 5's Rage Mode, which temporarily boosts TDP power limits from 15W to 35W for added performance. By increasing thermal headroom, users can ratchet up clocks for extra FPS during demanding game sequences. While a neat bonus, Rage Mode is designed for short-term sprints versus continuous usage. It doesn't significantly impact long-term user experience compared to standard configuration. Overall, the processing hardware in both models trade blows, with the Handle 5 squeezing out a narrow overall lead mainly thanks to faster multi-core clocks. But both deliver flagship power for AAA gaming handhelds with similar thermal envelopes. Either will tackle the latest titles smoothly, while the Ally benefits from ASUS's long history of thermal optimization and tweaks for sustained performance. For most buyers, real-world gaming prowess is nearly identical. Originally, the Handle 5 didn't seem poised as an affordable ROG Ally alternative. Currently, it is only available at an inflated $999. Meanwhile, the Ally costs $699, a full $300 less. At those prices, the ROG Ally easily delivers superior value with similar specs at a lower cost. Even ignoring price, advantages like VRR give it the edge for display quality. So while the Handle 5 brings respectable power and features to match devices like the ROG Ally, it falters heavily on current pricing and availability. Once its retail situation improves, it has potential as an alternative for high-end handheld gamers.